Do you want to know how I got these scars? You see, my father was a drinker. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So glad to see you guys back here. Today I'm gonna talk about the one gear that a lot of people underestimate. Cue the intro. Yes guys, today I'm going to be talking about the one gear that a lot of people underestimate. That gear that a lot of YouTubers I have seen don't talk about when they talk about the top 5 or 10 things that you need as a filmmaker or a photographer is a tripod. Why do I think a tripod is very important? Because there's a lot of things you can do with a tripod. A lot of people use selfie sticks to take group photos, but if you have a selfie stick like I have, you can take the top part off and then mount it on your tripod to use your tripod as the gear to take your group photos like any other photographer use. Another good reason to have a tripod is when you do astrophotography or night photography, it's better to have a tripod because if you want to take photos at night, you're gonna have to use a slower shutter speed to get more light in. And if you hold the camera in your hand, you're gonna get shakes because we cannot hold our hand very still. So you will get shakes or a blur in your photo. To prevent this, it's better to have a tripod. A lot of people who are just starting out with filmmaking and they're on a budget so they cannot afford a gimbal can use a tripod as a gimbal. Just hold your gimbal and try to bend your knee a little, hold your elbows close to your body and try to make like small steps and use your heels when you walk forward. Another way to use a tripod as a gimbal is to turn your tripod upside down. The same movement when you're walking, so try to bend your knees a little and walk forward with smaller steps. Use your heels and try to hold your arms or your elbows close to your body. This will help to get less shake when you're walking with your tripod. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new, and if you did, don't forget to like the video down here, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Those are in the description, and I'll see you guys next week at the next Tutorial Tuesday. Bye guys.